Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and I want to give you a heads up on an update that was made, then it was put on pause, and then it got put back into play, but it kind of came in quietly once again since it was a resumed rollout of the feature. And that is in Google Docs, and that is the ability to see all of your non-printing characters in Google Docs. Now that will be those little symbols for the paragraphs and hard breaks, lines or soft breaks, section breaks, page breaks, column breaks, tabs, and spaces. So to enable this in your file, what you're going to do, and this is also available for your Microsoft files that you've got stored in Google Drive and Docs, as well as, I should say, your Microsoft Word files, as well as your Google Docs. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to the upper left corner of the screen. You're going to go to the View menu. Underneath that, you will see Show Non-Printing Characters. When you click on that, if we look to the right side of my screen, you'll see that I can see all of my enters or returns. And then as I scroll down, I will see all of my additional pieces in terms of my paragraph starts and all of that good stuff that I need to see for my formatting. So just wanted to let you know that is another formatting piece that's available, recently released as in the past couple of days or so, is the ability to turn on and see all of your line numbers. If you would like to do that, that was in a recent video that I did. You'll find that underneath your tools menu, line numbers. It will kick a window out to the right side of your screen, and there you will enable those line numbers to be able to see those. So a couple of different formatting pieces if you are heavy into viewing or editing those Microsoft Word / Google Doc type of text files. So with that, until we meet again another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update, this is Gary the Google Guy signing off.